Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'll be showing you guys how I install this highlighted wig from Afford Hair. First things first, I went on and I bleached the knots as well as plucked the hairline. I'm now flattening the hair on the wig. This hair is a 13 by 6, 20 inches, and it's 180% density. I went for a bone straight look. I styled the wig on my mannequin head. As I was straightening the hair, I noticed that it was really thin. Should have went for like a 250 density, especially if I was doing a bone straight look. It was just on the thin side for me. Many of you might like it this way, but I prefer more density if I'm going with a straight look. Now, starting off with installing it, as you guys can see, I bleached the knots. It looks really good. Inside the cap, it has the clips, it has the adjustable straps. It also comes with the band where you can wear the wig as a glueless wig. I'm not doing glueless. I am going to be gluing this wig with my Ghost Bond glue. Same thing applies, the 3 layers of glue, and then I'm going to apply the wig onto my hairline. Guys, take a look at this hairline. This was hot. This was a hot mess, I would say. I was very disappointed with this wig. The hairline wasn't right. I had more hair on one side, and I was pretty much fed up at this point, and I just wanted to make it work. So what I ended up doing was I cut part of the frontal just so that it would look even. So as you guys can see, I'm trying to fix it. I was really disappointed when I was installing this wig. I didn't know what to do, but it ended up looking pretty decent at the end. But I would not recommend this wig. I probably got a bad wig, a bad batch. I don't know. I was just really disappointed. But on a better note, today is Mother's Day and I am celebrating my first Mother's Day. Wanted to get glammed up and take some pictures in this video. So I'm wishing all of the mothers out there a happy Mother's Day. We are still in quarantine. We are still on lockdown in New York, so can't really do anything but maybe get some fresh air. But we are going to make the best of it because we are all healthy. So I am wishing all the mothers out there again a happy Mother's Day. Okay, now that the wig is glued down, at this point I was just debating on if I should do baby hairs or not. I decided not to. For those of you that aren't feeling baby hairs, this is the video for you. So I use my slick stick to get the edges nice and sleek, and I use my flat iron to flatten it. Not my flat iron, what am I talking about? My hot comb to flatten everything down. So this is pretty much it. I'm not crazy about this install. The hair is pretty nice, I guess. It is on the stringy side. It tangles like crazy. It sheds like crazy. Not feeling the hair from Afford Hair, unfortunately. And what's so crazy about it is that I always look at reviews before I purchase wigs, and there wasn't really bad reviews on this wig, so I'm a little bit disappointed. I will be wearing it. Probably the next style I'll do some curls, you know, because the color really looks nice. It really goes well with my complexion, so I'll definitely be wearing it. I spent money on it, so I'm not gonna like throw it out or anything. But for those of you that, you know, are interested in getting it, I wouldn't recommend getting it. I would more so get a wig and just dye it myself, which I will be doing that in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye guys.